Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are unboxing Ipsy, the Ipsy Boxycharm for this month, and she's tiny. She's a little thing, so I'm hoping it's like, little but with a bang. I don't know. Like, I'm really hoping there are good items in here. I don't remember my choices per usual. I do think there's like a mascara in here because I do remember needing a mascara, a new one anyway, and maybe a cleanser. I don't know how I always forget. I always forget what I choose because they have so many great choices. So I'm always like torn. So by the time it comes in, it's a little surprise. So let's open it and see what's in here. All right, and you open it up and you've got everything right here on top. We got our little information card and it says Boxycharm, spring into self-care. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. That's such a pretty picture. Okay, and so yes, I see right here. Yes, this is the mascara. The Wander Beauty Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. So, I've just been on the search for a really good mascara, and it seems like everything I use is just okay. Like, I want something that is actually really nice, and I believe this is in brown. It's in espresso, so it's in a really dark brown color, so I think I'm gonna really like that. So length and define, which is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for length, not so much volume. I have thick lashes, I just don't have long lashes. And it's got like a traditional little mascara thing, so nothing crazy on the actual wand itself. Just smells like mascara, no weird smells or anything. So I'm gonna pop a little on. Let's see. I've got mascara on, but let's see what this does. Ooh, yes, it's grabbing like the ends of my lashes and like pulling them out and up. Oh, okay, I may have found it, guys. This is really nice. I really like Wander Beauty too. They have really good stuff. Oh my goodness, it's like picking up all the lashes that my mascara that I used before missed. So that is so nice. I can't wait to try this on just clean lashes without anything else on it. So that seems like that's going to be a really good item, and I'm excited about trying that without another mascara on. And then we got a Tarte blush. It's the liquid blush in the color peach. And I also need blushes. Like, I really feel like Ipsy is like the best place to go for a makeup refresh. Like, you feel like your makeup's running low, like go sign up for Ipsy because you get really good name brands at really affordable prices. So this is what the package looks like. It says blush tape, and it's got the little sponge applicator, and I guess you just squeeze it. I'm scared. Or do you twist it? Okay, no. Oh, it twists on and off. Y'all, I'm about to make a mess. Okay, now it's on. Oh, I like that you can twist it on and off so it don't accidentally like squeeze out all the product in your travel bag or something. And then, okay, and then it comes out. So let's just try this. Ooh, it's got like a little bit of a shimmer to it. That's really pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, goodness. That is gorgeous. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, I better twist it off. That's the thing, I gotta remember to do it. So that's a really good item as well. So yeah, we're off to a good start, even though it was a small box. And then we got the Context Lip Balm. And I needed some lip balm. I'm running low on lip balm, so I picked this one up. I remember that now. This is in the color Midnight Kiss, and it looks like a really good formula. Oh yeah, it's really nice. It almost has like a cooling effect to it. Not menthol, just a cooling effect. I don't know. That's really nice, and I needed that. So that works out. That's another good one. And then we have Dew of the Gods, Fila Nitro, Caffeine, and Retinol under eye pads. Tighten under the eyes and erase dark circles. Anytime there's a mask or an eye patch, as like a sheet mask or an actual under eye patch as an option, I always grab it because I love eye patches and sheet masks. And you always get really good ones. And this comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You get 10 eye masks. So that is really, really great. I can't wait to try that. It says, you don't need filler, you need a wake-up call. And black iced coffee. Introducing Fila Nitro, our caffeine and retinol infused under eye pads designed specifically to tighten the skin under your eyes and to help erase the appearance of dark circles and discoloration. I'm gonna try that tonight. I cannot wait. I like Dew of the Gods. I've got their moisturizer and it is so nice. So looking forward to trying these out. And then our last item is Smooth Calm Me Down Antioxidant Cleanser. It says listen to your skin's mood. So smooth is like skin and mood together, I'm assuming. I've never heard of it, but ooh, I like the colorful packaging. That's really pretty. It says an ultra nourishing cream to foam cleanser jam-packed with antioxidants to help improve the appearance of skin tone and complexion without stripping the skin. BHA gently exfoliates to promote smoother looking skin while hydrating and soothing ingredients like green tea water, panthenol, and Cantella Asatica calms the skin. I know I did not say any of that right. Paper mulberry extract and 6 antioxidant-rich fruits support a brighter-looking complexion and help protect the skin from environmental stressors. That is a mouthful. So, lots of promises with this cleanser, and I'm always wanting to try new skincare. Does it not have a smell? Very, very light, like almost papaya smell. So nothing too strong at all. So if you're sensitive to scents, this wouldn't be too bad. It's just got like a really light kind of papaya type scent to it. I don't even think it has papaya in it. Maybe it's the mulberry I'm smelling, but it's very, very faint. And I love a good cleanser, so looking forward to trying a new brand. I love trying new brands, and that's another thing I love about Ipsy is you get the opportunity to try stuff out without the risk of paying full price because you get everything, just at the set price for the box. So you get like a huge value in every box. All right, guys, so that is what our April box looks like. Not too bad. I was a little worried when I got this little bitty box. It's usually like twice the size, but really nice variety of things there. I think I am most excited about trying the mascara because, like I said, I'm just on the search for a really good lengthening, lifting mascara. So if you have any recommendations for that, let me know in the comments down below because I am still on the search for that. But all items that I really needed and really enjoyed. I loved the choices this month. I felt like there was a good variety of things and really good brands. So I do feel like we got our value this month, and I do feel like we had really good choices this month. So absolutely excited to try all these new things out. Thank you so much, guys, for unboxing this box with me. If you like this kind of content, you like unboxings and try-ons and all the fun things, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some love in the comments, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can join in on the unboxing and try-on hauls and all the things that we do over here, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I have a new upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.